In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install YouTube as a desktop app in the Brave browser. This quick setup gives you a dedicated YouTube window that feels like a native app without extra tabs or distractions. It's a great way to keep your workspace tidy and launch YouTube right from your desktop. First, open the Brave browser on your computer and go to youtube.com. You want to be on the main site, not a mobile view or an embedded player. Give the page a moment to fully load so Brave can recognize it as installable. Now, look at the far right side of the address bar, also called the Omni box. You should see a small install icon. It often looks like a download arrow or a little square with a downward arrow. If you hover your mouse over it, you'll see a tooltip that says Install YouTube. That label confirms you're in the right place. If you don't see the icon, try refreshing the page, make sure you're on the desktop version of Brave, and check that the URL is exactly youtube.com. Go ahead and click that install icon. As soon as you do, a small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. This is Brave letting you choose whether to install YouTube as an app on your system. Click the install button to proceed. Brave will complete the setup in a moment. When it's done, YouTube will open in its own clean window, separate from your main browser. You'll notice there's no regular address bar or tab strip, which makes it feel like a dedicated app. At the same time, Brave creates a desktop shortcut for you automatically, so you can launch YouTube just like any other program on your computer. This is especially handy if you want to keep it one click away without opening your full browser. From here, you can use YouTube as you normally would. Your sign-in, subscriptions, and settings from the browser carry over, and updates happen automatically in the background because it's still powered by Brave. If you ever don't see the new window appear right away, give it a second, or check behind your current windows in case it opened in the background. That's it. You've installed YouTube as a desktop-style app using Brave, and it's ready whenever you are. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused way to watch.